Hello, friends. Here is a report from today's economy section of the Shafaq News website. Dollar prices witnessed a decline today, Thursday, in Baghdad and the capital of the Kurdistan Region, Erbil, as markets closed ahead of the weekend. According to the Shafaq News correspondent, the exchange rate of $100 dropped in Baghdad's Al-Kifa and Al-Harithia stock exchanges to 148,500 Iraqi dinars, down from 148,850 dinars in the morning. In local exchange shops in Baghdad, the selling price dropped to 149,500 dinars, with the purchase price standing at 147,500 dinars per $100. Meanwhile, in Erbil, the selling price decreased to 148,200 dinars per $100, with the purchase price recorded at 148,100 dinars. In another story, Arshad al-Salehi, chairman of the Human Rights Committee in Iraq's parliament, highlighted a noticeable decline in the operations of the North Gas Company. He criticized the lack of governmental marketing for vast quantities of sulfur stored at the company's facilities. Al-Salehi emphasized the need for specialized technical experts to improve gas production and pointed out that Iraq possesses significant amounts of gas but continues to import from neighboring countries like Iran and Turkmenistan. He warned about heaps of unused sulfur accumulating at the company's grounds and urged solutions for marketing or utilizing these resources. Moving on, the Central Bank of Iraq reported selling over $300 million in foreign currency auctions. On Thursday, $307 million was sold, with most of it, about 94%, allocated for external transfers and credit. The exchange rate was pegged at 1,310 dinars per dollar for documentary credits and international settlements, and 1,305 dinars per dollar for cash transactions. A single bank handled the cash purchases, while 8 banks participated in the foreign transfer process alongside 10 currency exchange companies. Meanwhile, Russia's energy ministry confirmed plans to resume its oil-related projects in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. According to Russia's TASS news agency, Energy Minister Sergei Tsivilev stated that the Iraqi government and Kurdistan regional government have resolved their disputes over oil, paving the way for companies such as Rosneft to restart operations. Some activities had previously been halted due to security concerns near the Syrian border. This announcement coincided with Iraq's recent statement anticipating Turkey's approval to resume oil flows from the Kurdistan region. In precious metals, gold prices hit a historic peak last Thursday, reaching $2,940 per ounce, pushing the global market capitalization of gold past $20 trillion for the first time. The surge has been fueled by heightened demand for safe haven assets amid U.S.-Europe trade tensions, as well as continuous stockpiling by central banks. In 2024, central banks purchased over 1,000 tons of gold for the third consecutive year. Iraq led Arab buyers last year with an acquisition of 22.1 tons, bringing its total reserves to 162 tons. Speaking of local gold markets, prices in Iraqi gold shops registered a decline today. In Baghdad, 1 mithqal, around 5 grams, of 21-karat Turkish, Gulf, and European gold was sold at 3,000 dinars, down from earlier rates. Similarly, in Erbil, gold prices dropped, with 24-karat gold priced at 700,000 dinars per mithqal and 21-karat gold at 613,000 dinars. In another economic highlight, Iraqi farmers in Diyala's Al-Azim district revealed that 70% of the country's renowned watermelon farms suffered severe damage due to a harsh cold wave earlier in the week. This affected more than 6,000 donums, around 1,500 hectares of agricultural land. Farmers expressed concern over significant financial losses, as they now face the challenge of restarting their cultivation process. On governmental operations, Iraq's Ministry of Oil announced a remarkable surge in fuel sales through electronic payment systems, generating over 742 billion Iraqi dinars in January. As the first public entity to fully implement digital transactions since April 2023, the ministry aims to phase out paper transactions altogether by June. This initiative covers private businesses, citizens' purchases, and various services. Additionally, Iraq and Switzerland signed a preliminary agreement to eliminate double taxation and prevent tax evasion, aiming to foster economic cooperation. The agreement is expected to ease tax burdens on Swiss investments in Iraq, enhancing the overall investment climate in the country. Also making headlines, Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani visited the southern province of Al-Muthanna to inaugurate several developmental projects. These included the long-awaited 250-megawatt gas-powered power plant in Samawa, designed to support industrial growth in the region, and other infrastructure initiatives in housing and agricultural production. Al-Sudani highlighted the importance of such projects in revitalizing Iraq's economy and creating job opportunities. Among the projects launched was the city of Al-Ghadir, a residential complex offering 40,000 housing units within Al-Muthanna province, with 10,000 units specifically allocated for educators in celebration of Teachers' Day. Finally, Al-Rashid Bank warned citizens against engaging in unlicensed cryptocurrency or Forex trading, pointing to risks of financial losses and legal repercussions. Thank you for listening in, and I hope this news provided you with valuable insights. Until next time, stay well and informed.